Hey, you guys. Welcome to 86 Workshop, where you're going to be crafting with Snow White. So today we're going to be recreating this design here. It's very simple. I have the prompt already. All you guys have to do is just follow along with it and tweak it out to make it your own. Or you can, again, follow along with it. So to get started, I have my Bing app already open, and then I have my Text Studio app open. Those are going to be the two that I want to use to create this. So I'm going to go over to my Bing, and this is the prompt that I used. I'm going to read through it so that you guys can type it in as well. But it says, create an ultra realistic Disney type Grinch. He's wearing a happy face dressed as Santa Claus with magic effect, with vibrant colors. He's driving a green Jeep with a small duck next to him. There's also Christmas candy canes with leaves and holy berries in the back of the Jeep. Okay, and then I need it with a white background. Once I did that, I just went on and I created it. So these are the ones that I did create the first time. This is the one I chose, and I chose that one. Let's see what they generate this time, because it's going to be a little different. So as you see, it gave me quite a few that is nice to use. So you decide which one you want to use. Okay. So once you've chosen which Grinch you want to use, I want you to go over to Text Studio. Then you're going to type in Grinch. Just type in Grinch. Once you type in Grinch, they're going to give you some free Grinch fonts that you can use. Only thing you're going to be doing up in here, you guys, is putting in Grinch in. Because if you see the T-shirt, I need to use that. I want to actually do all caps. I'm going to switch it up and just, yeah, use different ones. It's totally up to you. Then I downloaded transparent. Okay, so once I've done those things, now I'm ready to start my design. So the first thing you want to do is when you're on Canva now, you're going to go to a blank sheet. So when you're doing a t-shirt design, the size of your heat transfer paper is going to be 8.5 by 11. So that's what I always start out with, 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to simply just go to my uploads, and then I get the little Grinches that I did save, and I'll remove the background on it. Okay. Once I remove the background, now I know that I want to put my Grinching in, because again, if you look at the design, it's not many items on here. So I'm going to start placing them immediately. Another thing that's in the design is the text at the top that says, they see me rolling. So the fonts that I use for these, I just went over the font and I typed in Christmas. You're more than welcome to just take a look down. These are actually some nice ones as well. But the ones that I had used the first time was the Brighton. So again, choose which one you like best or browse through them. Once I have that done, I want to go and I want to curve this out some. That's too much of a curve, so I'm going to release it a little. Okay. And once I have that, I'm going to go to elements. So when I went to elements, I typed in sunset. The sunsets gave me different ones that I can choose from. It's totally up to you on which one you want to choose. I liked it something a little bit more brighter, and I just placed it behind them. Okay. So now I'm going to add another text in here. Oh, bless me. Excuse me, guys. Okay. I'm going to change that text. Now, because I want to be able to see it, I need to change the effects on there. So I'm going to put an outline on it. And I'm going to change that outline to be white and bring the thickness down just a little. Okay. So just that quick, I just made a Grinch design. Actually, I want to bring this in a little bit more. So I'm going to go to this effects again. Okay. And now, once I've done that, I'm going to go to share. This is how I'm going to save my image. I have multiple pages open, but I'm going to uncheck the all pages box. I only want to save page 2 because that is my current page that I'm working on. Once I have saved it, I'm going to download it. Okay, so now that I have saved that, I'm going to take it, that download, and drop it off onto my desktop. And this is where I go to print. So on the next video, I will be showing you guys the differences between heat transfer paper and sublimation. We will be working with this design and we will do 2 t-shirts on making this and how to apply it. So make sure your letter size is chosen. Make sure your paper type is plain. You could choose the quality. I want it to be like a standard vivid kind of look, or you can change it to high so that it's really, the colors are popping on it. And then you're just gonna go and print. Nope, wait. I'm gonna reverse that really quickly. Biggest thing, if you're doing this on a white t-shirt, okay, I meant to explain that more so. If you're doing this on a white t-shirt, you have to flip this image around. And when I say flip it, that means mirror it. If you hear someone says you have to mirror an image, reverse it, this is what they're talking about. You want to go to edit. Down here at the bottom, it has the little flip image horizontally. I'm going to do that. And then anytime you are working with sublimation, you're always going to mirror your image, okay? Anytime you are working with some sublimation, you're always going to mirror your image. Okay, so now that I did save that, now I can go to my print. Print settings is the same, and then I'll print my items. So thank you guys for joining me on this video. If you guys are not already following me in the 86 workshop group, join us over there where we're giving out good tips a lot. And you can follow one of the men who also have good content videos so you guys can check out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. All right, see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me.